Welcome user to the new chapter. In this chapter we are going to cover working of neural network, chain rule of differential with backpropagation, activation functions, weights initialization techniques and optimizers in deep learning, loss or cost functions, regression problem in MATLAB and classification problem in MATLAB. So let us start first lesson of this chapter. In this lesson we are going to see working of neural network. Artificial neural networks are inspired by the structure of human brain. The diagram shows schematic representation of biological neuron. Dendrites, soma, axon and synapses are the key part of the biological neurons. Dendrites are tree-like branches that receive information from other neurons to which they are attached. The soma is the neuron's cell body and it is in the control of processing information from dendrites. Axon is a type of cable that transmits information from neurons. Synapses are the connections between the axon and the dendrites of other neurons. Now let us see simple neural network. One hidden layer neural network is shown in the diagram. Two features are present in the input layer and the output layer displays a binary classification problem. If there are more than two neurons in the output, the classification is called multiclass. If the output has only one neuron, it will predict a continuous value and the problem will be classified as a regression. We can add n number of hidden layers with n number of neurons. The deeper the network, the more hidden layers there are. The input values, weights, bias and activation function will determine status of each neuron, whether neuron will be activated or deactivated. Now look at the diagram and get information about how neural network work. In neural network, major components are input layer, hidden layers and output layer. Each layer has a number of neurons that are coupled to each another. W represents a weight in the diagram. W would be assigned to each branch that connects input to hidden layers and hidden layers to output at randomly. In every neuron, two operations would be taken place. In step 1, linear equation would be formed by combining input features in conjunction with weights and bias. Weights will provide slope and bias will provide shifting to curve during backpropagation if required. Bias is a small and fixed value. The output from step 1 will be sent to the activation function in step 2. Nonlinearity will be added to the network by using activation function. To get the final output, repeat step 1 and 2 on the output layer. This is how forward propagation would be happen. After that, a loss will be determined and backward propagation will occur based on the loss. Weights and bias value will be updated during backward propagation to minimize loss. This will end our video. In the next video, we are going to see why and how backward propagation will happen.
Thank you for watching this video. Do like this video if you found it helpful. If you have any queries, post them in the comments and get in touch with us. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Education is our future, MATLAB is our future. Happy MATLABing.